Akron High School hosted a blood drive on November 6th, and we wanted to showcase the day.
So I actually started donating blood when I was a junior in high school. So when I turned 16, I donated at the school for my very first time, and I'm still donating today. I think this was the start of our 15th year of working with ConnectLife. ConnectLife originally used to be Units Upstate New York Transplant Services, and then that name changed to Donate Life, and then within the last 5 years they changed the name to ConnectLife, which better represents what they're all about. It seems like this year we had a definite increase in interest and enthusiasm for the blood drive. We had more 16-year-olds sign up to donate for this drive than we've had in a long time.
I wanted to donate blood because it's just a good thing to do that you can help people. That's really easy. I think I've had some surgeries before and I've gotten blood donated from people when I had surgeries, and it's just an easy way to give back and just help people if you can do it. So I just think it's a nice thing to do.
Mason, why did you donate blood?
To help someone in need and hopefully save a life.
What influenced you to donate blood?
My science teacher, Ms. Johnson, told us last year we would get extra credit if we donated. So I decided I could just donate and I'll be able to save a life also.